guys. So I'm about to head up to the shop and do a little tinkering with Dad and the boys on the four-wheelers. We're going to try to get the Raptor ready to go. We're going to try to get the Banshee out and get it started and see what's going on with it. And just do a couple other things and maybe do a little bit of riding as well. So y'all stick around and here we go. How much does it take, the whole thing? Or?
No, about 10 ounces. 2.6 ounces per gallon at a 50 to 1.
You gonna guess?
It's basically 2.5 ounces.
How much is in that?
So it does a gallon, so that means 5 ounces will do 2 gallons. So 10 ounces, so if I put 12, that'd be plenty to just smoke a little bit more, it won't matter.
That looks like a little bit of heaven.
Pretty much it.
Your breather.
Make sure all the caps are on it.
Take it outside, shake it up.
Ah, yes. The Yamaha Banshee.
Yes.
Beautiful.
That thing is falling off. That's probably why they got that big thing. This thing's down too low, too. Needs to be up a lot higher. Need to pull the plug out of the engine and check the oil, how much oil's in the crankcase. You just tighten it all the way till it gets snug.
Taking it off.
Grab a seat.
Spray a little bit more on it.
Boy, wanted to.
Let's just pull it just a bit. Stupid, start like that. It could have water in it.
Always that possibility.
Don't even smell like it's got oil in it.
Wow, just figured out that there is the in-tray fuel jug down in there. Who knew?
Well, we're going to have to try to get that out. Get a little piece of wire or something. We could probably fish it out with that.
Ta-da!
Well,
Legit.
Sometimes they fall off. This stuff's good stuff.
Huh?
Lucas is good stuff. Did you bring me a quart of oil? No, I don't either.
Did you say he doesn't have skills?
I said he's got skills, but then he said he doesn't.
Who doesn't?
Dad said he
that
didn't because he got it on
said
tape.
Dad doesn't have skills because Dad spilled it.
Where is it?
What?
Where's the plug at?
I don't know. You had it. It's right there on top of the motor. No, he definitely had it. I put it back in there.
Do a little bit of looking up on
And
it.
if it is, I'll cut that piece off.
Now look at it. It's supposed to have a stop, and then the ovals have a stop.
I don't know why it's got a blue case on it. nobody, I mean, what do they think they're going to do? Just throw this up and freaking down the road? Well, they got to put that on there so tight for. It's stupid. Just turn it on there a thread or two. It's like, that's like a dude I work with. He puts everything on.
What?
Like you never want to
Do what?
They ain't gonna lug nut. Ain't like you're gonna lose a wheel if you don't get it tight enough.
Who are you talking about?
Uh,
talking about
nobody in
Don't let it run
particular.
over.
He's talking about the people that try to build up the DG.
DG mechanic.
Dana, sit on it. Hat backwards, it's serious now. Oh, it smells so good. I mean, it's rolling, but it's sick. He's back at home. Where he belongs. YouTube short.
It'll rip you off of it.
And it's still Stomp a Warrior.
ain't running on but one side. Smells so good.
I'll give you one bike length. So I'll start your back tire and you count it.
1, 2, 5, 4.
I'll give you 2 bike lengths first gear. Hey, we start when we get to the edge of the field. Edge of the field.
You want to switch bikes and do it?
Yes, we can. I don't know if weight would play a factor in that or not.
It shouldn't. I would think you would have an advantage if you did. Wouldn't you think that? Dead even rolling start of the yard.
Don't you dare do your stupid wink thing.
That's horrible.
All right, well, we got the Raptor put back together. We still got a little bit of stuff we need to figure out on it, but it actually has top end now. It's running good when you got it throttled out. It's pretty daggone fast. I didn't realize how fast it was. I've never really opened it up. So I think will flat get it. It put the whooping on that Warrior, but it'll be a fun one to trail ride with and all that. So got that figured out. The Banshee is only firing on one side on that 2-stroke, so we're gonna probably have to tear the motor down on it and figure out what's going on with it, and I don't know, a couple other things for the other 4-wheelers, but we're gonna have a whole fleet of them to be able to start riding here soon, so pretty excited about it. But anyways, appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all